Recording your screen is a useful practice that can help a student see through a teacher's eyes. There are many digital skills that can be learned, many of them to be introduced by observation. Think about the last time you were being shown how to do something. As you look over the person's shoulder, getting confused as their mouse gets frantically lost among 1,000 icons on their desktop. One tool to alleviate this frustration is Screencast O Matic. The devs describe Screencast O Matic as a tool to help you easily create, edit, and communicate with videos and images. Simple and intuitive tools to share your ideas. In this video, I'll be going through the steps before, during, and after recording your screen with Screencast O Matic. Start off by searching for, downloading, and launching Screencast O Matic. Navigate to Launch Free Recorder and follow the steps. When opened, you have several personalization options. You can select to display only your screen, only your webcam, or add a personal touch and do both. You can customize how big or small you'd like your screen capture to be. If you're reading while recording, then you can have your script off to the side of the screen while you record the other half. If you have a webcam and a headset connected to your PC, select the microphone that would have the best recording quality. Note, in the free version, there is no computer audio feature. Womp womp. With your screen size selected, you will be capturing anything within that screen. You can relocate the capture border around the screen, even when you are recording. Drag the playback bar to review what was recorded. To overwrite, you can truncate the unwanted bit and continue to record. The free version of Screencast O Matic offers simple, yet limited options to edit. You can cut the beginning or end parts of your video. Unfortunately, these are the only cuts you can make at this time. Any other edits would have to be done using your own video editing tools. So my advice, get used to the truncating feature I mentioned before. You can add background music to the video by clicking the music note. There are genres such as jazz, Latin, or pop, or you can import your own music if you like to add that special touch. When finished, save to your computer or upload directly to YouTube. So, what do you think? What would you use it for? When you decide, show the rest of us. We'd love to see it. Thanks for watching.